Today is the newcomers call for the 8th July 2021. So,
All
guys,
right. We're going to have to do an introduction because that is a ritual. So
yeah,
we'll go round. I will start and tell you about myself and my day, and then I'll call the next person, and we'll go on until we reach the last person. So, hello everyone. My name is Anita Human, and I am a meshmate in the community. I started contributing for it's been a year now, so I think happy anniversary to me. Yeah,
happy.
and going really well. I've been trying to take on a new project and fix new tasks. So yeah, my day is going great. And yeah, so Debanji, can you tell us how your day is going? I hope I pronounced the name right.
Are you asking me?
Yes.
It's Devjani.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I'll take that next time. Just tell us how your day is going and how you are generally.
Yes, I'm good.
All right, then you can just pass it on to the next person once you're done.
Yeah, I guess that's it. I have nothing much to say today.
That's fine. That's fine.
I think we lost her voice in the middle. I think she was saying something else.
Yeah, I also think.
That's
Oh yeah, the network.
yeah, I believe there was a network issue.
Okay. All right. Sayantan, over to you.
Oh, yeah. So, I'm Shankar. I've joined I think just a month ago, and I started contributing to this machine project, and it was quite. I just feel lucky that I've joined here. I mainly contribute in the backend part for the Golang. So I think whoever are new to this call, you can say a hi on this call and give a little brief on yourself. Like anyone new to this call today?
Um,
Um,
just tag
Ashish.
anyone, and I
Oh,
think it's a general introduction, so everyone can make an introduction. Just tag anyone in the community to go next, and they will go on and on until we reach the last person. It's an
okay. So let's
introduction section.
start with Ashish Tiwari.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashish. Am I audible?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so I basically work on backend. I've recently learned Golang because I got to know about this project actually 3 months ago from one of my friends who's actually a core maintainer in the project. His name is Utkarsh, and he used to talk a lot about this project. So from there, I picked up Golang, and then from there I learned about container orchestration, and from there I learned about service meshes, and then I found that this project I went through a little bit in the source code in the architecture, and I'm really interested in contributing to it in the Golang part mostly.
That would be great.
Yay, we won a soul. Welcome to the community. You can just call anybody next.
So Vishal.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yeah, yeah, you're audible.
So yeah, I'm a third year undergraduate student and I'm contributing in Layer 5 project as a DevOps engineer, and I'm looking for a CI/CD pipelines, and that's great. That's about it.
That's great. So Krishna, Kaustav, you want to introduce? Means you can give a little
Hello
introduction.
guys,
Okay.
this is Krishna Kaustubh. You can call me as KK. I am from second sem, that is first year CSE, Jyoti Institute of Technology, doing my computer science. And I reached here by winning a hackathon with along my few friends who are here. And so yeah, I am very keen in learning new things and contributing to machinery soon, so that I can learn many more things. Yeah, I think that much is enough. As of today, I didn't have a great day. There were few troubles. Yeah, that's. I think that is
Yeah,
uh, enough to conclude. Thank you. Thank you, Situ.
that's great. So next, Bharat Kumar, do you wanna tell something about yourself?
Yeah.
About your day?
So, hello guys. My name is Bharat, and as Krishna said, I was his actually teammate. I was in the same team. So, I'm in first year computer science, and I came here through hackathon, and I look forward to contributing. And I'm right now in the process of learning Golang. So let's see where that takes me. Yeah, that's about it for me today. Thank you.
That's great. Then we have Shurya Sankar Das. You wanna say hi? Like, how
Like,
was
I'm
your
audible.
day? Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, so I'm
If you're having a mic difficulty, it's okay. You can always use the chat. You
Yes.
understand?
Yeah, you can use it. So
Hello.
next, yeah, you're audible.
Hello.
The,
I'm
the line is still shaky.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm having
Yeah.
Okay,
some
just
network
yeah.
issues.
Can you drop your introduction in the chat? Because I think I want to really know you.
Yeah, you can drop your introduction in the chat. So next we can move on to Devopriya Acharya.
Hello, this is Devopriya. I joined the community early this week and I've attended some other meets as well. So, this is probably the fourth time I'm introducing myself. So, anyways, I had taken up a few issues, I've been working on them, and I have to say, everyone I have interacted with till now has been so warm and welcoming and helpful. So, I've had a really good time till now, and I hope I can contribute more as I go along.
Oh, that's great. Next, Aditya, you want to say something?
Yeah. Hi everyone. I am Aditya. I joined last week, Wednesday, I suppose. So this is my second newcomers meeting. I am a third year computer science student at KIIT, and I joined because of Shantan. He introduced me to the society. So I have worked mostly on UI till now, some backend, and I've recently started contributing to Layer5 labs. So I look forward on contributing a lot more in the future. Thanks.
Right. So next, Ayushman Mishra. Do you wanna say that? How was your day?
Yeah, hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yeah.
So this is actually, I think, my second newcomers meeting, and I joined this Layer 5 community, I think, 2 weeks back. I was just hopping through CNCF organizations, and I saw this great community, and I just added myself here. And so far, it's good. It's very welcoming, actually. I have solved several issues and working on few of them also. And I'm a second year CSE student, and just 1 week back, just started learning Golang and some Kubernetes stuff. That's me. Thanks.
Yeah, that's great. So next we have Piyush.
Hello, hello everyone. I'm audible.
Yeah, you're on.
My name is Push. I am from third year JIT. I'm right now working on my React skills, and I got to know about this community from my friend who is working in backend. Really, I hope to see you.
Okay, that's great. So now we next have Anand. Anand, do you wanna say hi or like how was your day?
Yeah, hello everyone. Can you guys hear me? Am I audible?
Yeah, you're on.
Yeah, it seems like a lot of people are having network issues and stuff. So yeah. So anyway, my name is Anand, and I joined the Layer5 community. Same, I think like uh 2 weeks back. I'm not sure, and I'm just starting out learning the complete basics because I just wanted to see how uh DevOps and stuff work. And this project is rather interesting. So yeah, I'm just in the learning phases and getting to know the community better. Nice to meet you all. Thank you.
Nice. Yeah, this community is really good. Like I just joined last month and I felt quite comfortable to everyone. They were so much helpful. And like if you stuck anywhere, just ping them in the Slack. I hope everyone has joined the Slack group. Uh, some of the other members will help you out. Like if you run into any problem, like starting from setting up of machinery and like everything. So now, if have I missed anyone giving the introduction or that?
Yeah, I think okay, I don't see her anymore. If you haven't made an introduction, you can always do that in the chat, or you can draw back our attention because we want to know you and we want you to get to know us in the community. So if we forgot to mention your name, please draw our attention and we'd have your introduction.
Yeah.
Have some people forgotten to write their name on the doc? Because I think there are 16 people and there are only like 12.
Yeah, exactly what I just noticed. And Ishanya.
Shanta.
I'm sorry. I'm terrible with names.
Okay, I'm sharing that.
Ashish? I don't think I've heard of you.
I'm sharing that docs link. I think someone has missed that docs and haven't filled that. I've shared that in the
Okay.
chat. So we have a new member, Mrityunjay. Do you wanna say hi?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Rityunjay, and I'm a pass out graduate from 2020, and I've been looking to enhance my skills. So recently, I've joined like day before yesterday in Meshery. I've been looking to GitHub uh, issues, newcomers issues. I really wanted to contribute in it, so that's why I joined it. It's really a nice community, and I've been looking into it. I cloned quite a lot of repos to run, and then like it's going on. So that's all. Like, and I hope I will contribute in future quite soon.
Oh, yeah. That's great to hear.
What?
I told that it's great to hear. Like you can contribute. It's a very good place to contribute for this.
Yeah,
You can
sure.
contribute in the
Sure.
front
Thank you.
end, back end. We have DevOps. You can contribute in any of this. So let's start with the topics for today. So like if I hope that if you have all joined in the Slack group, and the newcomers meeting form is available in this place. You can just fill up this form. So now the next question is this call strictly for newcomers? No, like anyone can join this call and get a hands-on, like whoever is new and get a hands-on with the machinery. Okay, now the next question is why do we need to do this newcomers call? So this newcomers call is mainly takes place for the new ones who are new to this organization and want to contribute and want a walkthrough of the project. So in this newcomers call, we just walk you through our project. And if you find any bug in our project, you can always make that as an issue, and we will look into that. Then, like, what is a meshment? So the meshment are someone like if you go to this place, you will find that we have Aditya, Krishna, Anita, Just, Atil, Tanuj, Ruth, Nikhil, and Vijay are our meshmates. You can contact with them. They will help you with the starting up of your projects and how to start with your projects and how to set up all the things. They are very friendly and they will guide you through all the stuffs you need to start your project. You can contact them. You can get your meshmates from this page. If you go to this meshmate page, you will find them. Just contact with them. So this is what a meshmate is. You can find. So we have Anita over here. She's also a meshmate. You can contact with her. Not only meshmate, you can
Hello.
ask. I okay.
Yeah, I'm just saying hello. I'm over here.
And if you go to Slack, you can ping anyone. Anyone is there to help you out. Especially Anita is really helpful. You can. The next thing is that we have like five front-end sites which are. I will show you one by one. The first one is this Meshery.io. This is actually the one of the current and the biggest project in the layer 5 you can see, and this is also under CNCF. So you can have a look on this website. Those who are in the UI part, you can see this pages. You can change. We also have Figma file for that. You can do if you find that if there is a bug or you want some colors to be changed or like something great can happen if you do some changes. So you can obviously propose that. This is the site. You can also run Meshery by choosing this platform. I will show you a demo of Meshery. So this is actually the Meshery's dashboard which I set up. You just have to install the Meshery CTL. The Meshery CTL is actually the backend part. Like we communicate with Meshery with the Meshery CTL commands. So okay, this one is the Meshery's UI. This is actually running on my local host. So this is a place where you can learn about Meshery. These are all the adapters. You can ping adapters. You can do these things like you can just explore these things. Only the prerequisite is that you have to run a Kubernetes cluster behind your application like, to start up this application. So this is the Meshery's dashboard. Now we have this docs documentation on Meshery. You can get started from here like what are the things that Meshery do, like the basic introductions on Meshery, how to set up your development environment, on all those things you can find in this docs. If you find any bug in the docs or you want to improve something in the docs, you can raise that as an issue for the docs purpose. uh, like for the first time when I came into this community, I saw that when I was running this command, it was asking me to provide the platform, and this was not mentioned in this part. So what I did was that I raised it as an issue, and this was my second PR which got marked. This was some small corrections which I did in the documentation part, starting with this documentation part. You can find some bugs over here. You can solve that also. So this is also a place. This documentation actually runs on Jkile, uses Jkile, HTML, and CSS. If you wanna see the documentation, like where is this documentation? I will show you. Like this one is the Mercedes project. Whenever you go to docs, you will find that this all the things are about the documentation. And if you want to run this documentation locally, you can set up your development environment by following these steps. You can set that up and you can do the changes accordingly. This is under the docs section. And uh, the Mercedes CTL, which I was talking to you about, is this one. This you can also set this as a you can work the Mercedes CTL from this folder also. Like you just have to build this binary version of Mercedes CTL, and then you can just use dot slash Mercedes CTL system start and that thing. This is the place where you can contribute also. Like CTL is under everyday development, like it's a rigorous development. You can find some issues on that also. You can work on that. It's basically on Go. So the people who are new to Go, you can see this one. Everything is listed under this single folder, internal CLI. You will find all the commands listed over here. There is also a command tracker for the Mercedes CTL. Like this every commands are listed in this thing. You can see what are the commands about and what actually these commands do. You can find like a huge amount of data for this. I will provide you this link also. This is for the people who are learning Go. And now I think we are done the machine part. So next, oh, okay. One more thing is that for this UI, which I have shown you, you can also work on this UI also by going to this uh, UI part. You have to build this locally. You have to build. You have the prerequisite is that you have to start your machinery at localhost 9081 port, and then you can just do a make build UI and make run UI dev in this folder. Then you will get to know, you will get the UI part of that and you can change accordingly. So this one is for the Machinery's dashboard changes. You can do it from here, Machinery UI. Next, okay, so I think we're done with Machinery. Now we have the next project, SMP, Service Based Performance. This is another website, which is that you can also contribute on this thing, this website also, if you find some bug. The next one is the getnighthawk.dev. This is actually a new project which is going on in the community. So this in this project there are like there can be some bugs and all. You can fix that. Um, you can also change the like the UI. Also you can propose your own design. If that's look good, then we will obviously do that. So this was the getnighthawk.dev. The next one is that Layer5.io. This website is it just contains a huge lot of files. When you will download, you will see that. I think that you can change a lot of things over here. Like many things are going on over there. And if you want to learn machine, you can just go to this learn section. You will find that there are some books, workshop, and service mesh labs. If you go to this service mesh lab, you will get a hands-on with like how Meshery works and how like Meshery and Istio works, Meshery and Linkerd work, Meshery and console work. You just have to open this and you just have to start this scenario, and you will find that you will get the basics of like how it's run. And in this way, actually, like most of us have learned the machine. You can also start with this. Um, this one is about the Layer 5 website. You can also change. This is mainly, I think, this is in React and Gatsby.
Yeah.
I'm also
No, I'm just affirming to what you said, confirming to what you said.
oh okay, got it. So if you want to see this, it's in Layer repository. You'll find this Layer 5 website in this Layer 5 repository. So I think the people who are familiar with React can easily make out like how to run this. And for that, we have a README file. In the contributing MD file, you will have the following things like how to set up this environment for running this Layer 5 website locally and do the changes and push that. You will find it over here. And most importantly is that whenever you commit in the commit, you have to use this sign off or else the DCO will fail. And you have to use this sign off thing. You will find this over here, like how to sign off. So this is really important. And this one was about the Layer 5. So next. Okay, the next is the hands-on tutorial. Let's see. Okay, so this is the actually the hands-on tutorials. Like if you go through this, there are two sections. If you start this one, this is the same things which I show you in the Layer 5 website. These are the same thing. It is hosted in lee-calcote. I think you can just start the scenario and go on doing this working. You will get a like a nice idea about how machinery works with all these analysis. Oh, yeah. Now these are the some of the format tutorials which our like meshmates or our contributors has already make a recordings. These are recordings and slides, and this I think are in our YouTube. Yeah, it's in the YouTube. So you can subscribe this Layer 5 YouTube channel. You will find like there are some tutorials that were done previously. I actually started learning Go, I think, from after doing this tutorial, an introduction to measure recipe. This was really nice. So yeah, yeah, like you can go to this all these recordings. Next one is that. Okay, so all the repositories. If you go to this page, you will find the Layer 5 repository. So currently we have four projects. Like one was the Layer 5, the other one was the service mesh performance, the other one is Missionary, and the other one is service mesh pattern. These are the four repositories. The front-end projects which we work are this Layer5.io, Missionary, docs, the all the things which I've shown you. This is, I think, this is the currently ongoing project, the mesh map. This is the ongoing project right now, and this Get Nighthawk is also new. Get Nighthawk is mainly based on Jekyll and Jekyll and HTML CSS. And this Layer5.io, Learn Engine is also an upcoming project. Okay, the another one was that is Discuss forum. Like we have a Discuss forum of our own where you can post any of your doubts. You will see that many have posted their doubts, and we have like any from our community members has already answered those doubts. So you can ask any of your questions over here. Just log in over here and just sign up, and we will. You can post anything you want, like any doubts you have. You can post it over here. Any of us will try to solve it. Or if you know any of the answers, you can also give your answers. It will be more helpful. And if you want to make some changes in this discuss layer.5 IO, you have to create an account in this staging discuss.layer5.io. Then you can do whatever changes you want. Like if you want any changes to do, you can create an account over here and just ask, I think, just metal to give you the access. You can work on this. Let us, okay, we are done. Okay. So these were some of the front-end projects, and the back-end project we are concentrated is this Meshery. This Mesh Bank has not yet started. So I think under evaluation. These are some of the backend projects, and our backend projects are mainly in Golang. There is the WebAssembly filters, custom filters which we work on are on, I think, in Rust, written in Rust, and I think someone is also writing it in C++. So if you want to see that wasn't filtered, I'm showing you that report. Yeah, wasn't filtered. So this one is mainly based on Rust. It's written in Rust. Actually, we do have a meeting on Monday, I think from 7:30, where we discuss about this WebAssembly filter. And you can join in that call to learn more about this custom filter. We actually all are learning, so you can also join in that call for the custom filters. So these are our back projects. The WebAssembly repos are over here. The image hub is like, if you go to this image hub, this is one of the demo application written in was for the custom filters. You can also check it out. I think there is a video on this also, how to deploy that. Yeah, you can find it over here. Lee has already demonstrated a video like service mission with Docker desktop and WebAssembly. You can check that. It's really helpful. And next, I think this I already covered. Okay, you can just hop into these other projects and see what is going on over here. If you get interest in any of it, you can just uh, create an issue, or if an issue is already there, you can just tell us to assign you, and we will assign you. We will start working on it. I think. And now, like, if you are searching for any good first issue, you can see it over here. I think all the good first issues have a commit, a PR related to it. So, but no problem. We also have a help wanted issue. Help wanted issues are not so difficult. You can solve it if you just have a little bit brainstorm. Then I think you can get the solutions easily. You can work on these issues. These are like help wanted, first timer issues. You can work on these things. Okay, so any of you have any doubt till this? Like, you want to know anything?
Okay, I want to add something. So, Sayantan mentioned earlier, we usually have tutorials in the community because a lot of persons are asking questions. I want to learn this particular topic. I want a beginner's guide on this particular topic. So we're trying to put up videos and create more content that would help you to, understand everything that you want to understand. So if you have a video request that you want to request, you can just check the link on there that says survey form tutorials. Yeah. So just check the link there that says tutorial recording to-do list. You can write the topic you want a video content on. And also, if you feel you're good with a particular topic and you want to teach us about it, I'm always open to learn. So you can just write your topic, write your name and your email under the topic you want to teach, and would create time to record your video and tutorials. And yes, I want to point out also, all these calls, all of our community calls are recorded. So in case you miss anyone, you can always refer back to them for references, and you can always share it to your contacts to, help them if you want to. That's all up to you. We have a YouTube playlist down here that records every of the meetings that we have. So you can always refer to that at your convenience. So if you haven't subscribed to our community calendar yet, probably that's why I didn't get a notification for this call, you can do that using this link down here. So you can have access to any of our calls that are ongoing. So you can just subscribe so you get notified whenever our calls are ongoing. And you can also take on these questionnaires down here. Just write your name in any field that you feel works perfectly for you. So if you're good with Golang or you want to contribute to Golang projects, you can write your name down here. At the end of the call, I'll send you resources that you can get started with in that particular area. And if you want to also record a tutorial, you can write your name down there, or just come to this tutorial to-do list and fill in your name, and we'll do well to attend to that. He also mentioned the Discuss forum. So we just created that because Slack does not keep all of our information, and we're discouraged about that. So we want to use the Discuss forum so we don't have to look for the question that you asked 5 days ago or 2 weeks ago, or someone wants to ask that particular question, they can always refer back to it. So yeah, just ask any questions you want to on the Discuss forum, and a lot of persons will come and engage with you on that particular topic. And finally, down here we have our community handbook. So if this onboarding call or this newcomers call does not do enough justice, you can always go back to the community handbook and look at a detailed guide on getting started within the community. And yeah, thank you so much, Science, and you did a great job. Yeah, this is first time facilitating the meeting anyway. And I want to point that everyone in the community, everyone and anyone at all is welcome to opt for a facilitating role on any of the newcomers call. The essence is that we want to get you to learn more about the community. And a lot of persons learn by teaching others. So that's the essence of the newcomers call. So you can learn by teaching others, or you can learn by attending the call, whichever one you choose. But if you want to facilitate any of the call, you can just indicate by dropping a message in Slack, and I'll fix your name for the upcoming meetings. Yes, so on that note, if there are any questions, you have a suggestion, you have something you want to say, yeah, you have the stage now. We've been doing a lot of talking, so I think you're welcome to drop your own questions.
I think I have just missed one thing. You can also see our Figma project over here. Like we have the designs for all of the websites jotted down in the same place. You can find it over here. And if you want to design something new, what you can do is that don't change this current thing. Just clone that, and you can do whatever changes in this archive thing, and you can keep it, and then we can view your design once, and we can accept that for the new design. This one was about the Figma file. Yeah, I think I'm done with all the topics. So if you have any questions, you can ask. And you can also put down your name over here. I think Anita can send you some resources on that.
Yeah, hello. Hey, San.
Hello.
Hey, hi.
Yeah, yeah, some of the issues are listed in the chat. If you want to just pick up very good first issue, then you can go through this.
Yeah, Anshu has set up some of the good first issues.
This is very good first issue.
Yeah,
Just we have to update the badges and the community forum.
yeah. I think there are many like there are many in the report for the mission, right? This good first issue.
No. We actually are done with all. This is, I think,
Oh,
only
okay.
pending.
Okay, so I think this.
So yeah, what you gonna do here is like you just go to the issue, particular issue, and just comment there that I want to take this issue. Then I will assign it to you. I or Swanthan Bose, anyone.
All right. We're still waiting for questions and suggestions. We
Also
still
on
have.
the Meshery NSM, the README file, there is this little problem in the, wait, just hold on for a second. There's this little problem in the community and contributing part of the README. Like it's a really minor issue, but if someone wants to go ahead and contribute, like the discuss part is unaligned with everything else. So you can take a look at that as well.
Okay.
Yeah, Aditya, can you tell it once more? Like, can I show
On
them?
GitHub, Meshery NSM. Go to the README file. Just scroll down.
Sorry.
Yeah, there. Just see, like the discuss is just not there.
Oh
Like,
yeah, I see that.
like it's super minor, but if someone wants to work on it.
Yeah, this are the good first. Aditya, I think you can make an issue on this thing.
Okay. You're already there. Why don't you just create one?
Okay, I will get up to the one.
Okay, cool.
All right.
Okay, so I think we have Surya, Sankar, and Ashish in Golan.
Okay. I'll drop the link to our project and any other articles that I find on this particular topic to help you get started after the call.
Yeah, and I think Piyush is in for React. Want to walk in there?
Okay. You say you need some guidance on how to contribute. Sayatan, can you help us with the basic steps on how to create a pull request?
Okay,
Just
how
do an overall step to step. Just show us how we can make a pull request in the community.
okay, okay.
So in order to have this file on your system, you must have forked it to get a copy and then cloned it on your system. Yeah, so if you
Okay, anytime I'm showing it from the first, if anyone is
yes.
really new. So first, actually, what you need to do is that first, go to Messery, then you can fork it from here. I have already forked in it my local machine, so you can just get it. And then what you need to do is that, so after forking, you will find that you have this repository, your username slash the Messery. Then what you need to do is that you have to get into this code. You have to copy this this URL. You just have to copy this, and in your terminal, you just have to write git clone and paste it. This will. Oh, sorry. I have to do. I was actually in meditation here. So I am in my desktop, and then you have to just do wherever you want. You can just clone this repository, and this will actually clone it. Then actually I think this will not clone anymore because it's already cloned. You will find that it's over here, like it's in my desktop. Like this machine. Then you have to go to this whatever your preferences like base code or sublime text anything. So you have to go over here like then if you want to do some changes like I am showing you like a minor change, I will close this pull request also. So just for the starting purpose, uh, let me do this subscribe. If you go to my terminal and initially by to git status, you will find that there is one pending file which I have changed right now. So you just have to do git status and you will find that your branch is currently up to date with the origin master. But actually, whenever you are contributing, you must create your own branch. So for creating your own branch, you have to do git checkout p and what is the branch name. Like you can follow a particular order. Like I changed in docs, so you can just do a docs and this was suppose this is a box, so I can write it in this way. Then you can give a slash. Then you can write your username over here so that we can identify like who actually pushed this. Then you can just write your issue number. Like suppose your issue was 120. Just write this issue like this way, and then you can just change your branch. See, a new branch has been created. So then you need to do uh, now you again need to do git status. So you will see that there is a change. Now what can you do is that git add, and the best practice is that we can use a dot over here. This will add all the files, but there can be some files which are not required. So what you can do is that just copy this file over here and just add it, so that you just added the file. And now if you do a git status, you will see that your file has become green over here. Now the next step would be like you have to commit this file in your local machine. So for this you have to write git commit minus s. This is a flag actually for the sign off. So you have to use this sign off, and I have shown you then how to do the sign off. You can find it in the readme file. Then you have to type down your message like -n, and then whatever was your message, like add a line, and then you can hit and enter. But I will not enter this because I don't want to make these changes. It will be like a bad thing. So you can use this command to just commit your file. Then after committing your file, you will see that there all your lines get committed. After that, you can do git push origin, and after that, this is after the commit the git push origin and the branch name. Like this one was your branch name. You just copy here and paste your branch, and you just hit a enter over here. You will see that you will get a link for the pull request. You then have to go to that link for the pull request, and from there you can just generate that pull request. So I think this was some basic.
Oh yeah, actually.
Actually, I didn't commit with that.
I dropped an article in the chat, so if you still need further assistance, it's a very detailed article. You can go over it at your own time while making your contributions. But once you're making your contributions to any open source project, it's always advised you go through the contribution guidelines or the contribution.md file, because you don't want to break a rule that already exists within the community, or you don't want to miss a point that um, members of the community always emphasize on. So always going to the contributing.md file is a really, really helpful way to get started when contributing to any open source project at all. All right. So if there's no other question, we're 6 minutes. We have 6 minutes left. We can wrap up the call here.
Yes.
All right. Thank you everyone for attending this meeting. For those that have attended before. Thank you for coming again, because this was so supportive. And also thanks to our facilitator for this week. You did a great job. I learned a lot too, so I think I'll use it next time I'm facilitating. But if you want to facilitate for the next meeting, you can always indicate interest by dropping a message in the chat, and we'll hand it all over to you. But we'll be here to assist, always here to assist. So yeah, thank you so much for attending this meeting. This meeting takes place every Thursday, same time, and we discuss anything and everything within the community just to help you get started. And also tomorrow is our general meeting, and everyone is going to be there. I mean, everyone in the community. So you don't want to miss out on that. And you don't want to miss out on the introductions too, because everyone wants to get to know you. So thank you so much for making it to this meeting. See you next week, and see you around in the community. Bye.
Bye. The last thing is that this is the place where you will find the Git, like how to use Git in Meshari. This one has exactly all the things which I told you. So thank you everyone for joining this.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.